The very cold weather is set to continue through the rest of this week, and in fact it's going to get colder for most of us, if that wasn't enough already, particularly in England and Wales. The high temperatures today were 8 degrees on the Isle of Scilly, where there was drizzle, and highs of 7 in many parts of the southwest, but most of us barely got above freezing. The low temperatures overnight went down to -17 in Craig in the Highlands of Scotland, and temperatures down to -15 or more in some places up there as well. Not the coldest in record times, but certainly an extremely cold night. Winter weather warnings are out in several places right now, northern Scotland and the southwest of England. We're looking at more snow impacting those areas tomorrow mainly and overnight. So let's check out this forecast moving through the overnight hours. You can see that precipitation top and bottom of our picture, and with those extremely cold temperatures overnight in the clear areas in between those two, down to -10 in areas near Glasgow in rural points. With slightly windy conditions getting into the southwest as well as that snow falls. It'll turn to rain in some places along the south coast over the day on Wednesday. But taking a look at Scotland first of all, this band continuing to move through, lots of snow pretty much anywhere that's inland because temperatures will be absolutely struggling. But it's actually a little bit milder on the islands, 6 degrees in Orkney, the high temperature expected on Wednesday. But you'll see there that many places struggling to get above freezing. Those are the maximum temperatures we'll see. Glasgow and Edinburgh -2, and across Ireland we'll be seeing maximums of +2, but some areas may struggle to get there. -1 in Manchester, 0 degrees across much of England and Wales, and down on the south coast 1 degree above freezing on the cloud cover, and possibly continuing rain, sleet and snow showers along the coast there, extending into as far east as Sussex. But the snow will probably go through Hampshire and towards Portsmouth, I would suggest might be the furthest point from the west. Slightly breezy underneath there as well, with some stronger gales possible in the northeastern part of Scotland, and there could be thrashes of snow also affecting the northeast of England during the course of Wednesday as well. All this precipitation moving in from the north again overnight on Wednesday, but most of it avoids inland areas. Coastal areas may get some snow showers. -9 in parts of England there overnight, moving into Thursday. These are the high temperatures on Thursday and the weather there as well. Still mostly clear skies for interior parts of England and Wales. Look towards Scotland, precipitation in many areas, increasingly turning to rain probably on Thursday, but snow will continue to encroach inland where those temperatures are once again struggling to get above freezing. Again, -1 the high there in Glasgow on Thursday. In fact, it's even colder in the Borders region and towards the northwest of England, with even colder temperatures there, -1, -2 perhaps, struggling to get above there, and just above freezing across the rest of England and Wales and across the Republic of Ireland. You'll see that band of rain there over the Irish Sea. That might provide some precipitation across some coastal areas of the Irish Sea, but most of it will probably be rain on Thursday. Of course, the general rule is if it's 0 degrees, it could fall as snow anywhere that you get precipitation. And looking at the wind conditions on Thursday, it will be a much calmer day than what we saw as that front further south moves further into the European continent, and the snow from Scotland stops a little bit. And this big front moving in into Friday is going to be the next thing to look out for, with extremely cold temperatures Thursday night and Friday morning across the whole British Isles, really well into the negatives. And you'll see there on Friday that could be a significant snow band moving through central Scotland and affecting some other parts of England, Wales, Ireland as well, although those temperatures are warmer, particularly further west along the Irish coast. It'll be further towards the eastern areas that will get more snow accumulations if that forecast bears fruit. Maximums on Friday of 2 degrees across England and Wales, and just about getting to 8 on the Channel Islands, which is where some of us might have to migrate to if it keeps up like this. But the good news is, in the long range, at least for warm lovers, the temperatures will be rising again, and we're looking at quite a lot of rain into the weekend.